Here's how you can fix permission denied error in Docker. So first of all, you could close the Docker desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Docker, and then right click on it. Over here, you'll be able to see the option of run as administrator. So click on that and run Docker as an administrator. And let's say if you're using commands, then you gotta make sure that Docker desktop is running before you use any Docker commands on your CLI. But let's say if that doesn't work, then you gotta restart Docker. To do that, you gotta go to command prompt. So go to the search bar at the bottom, search for CMD. It will open command prompt right in front of you. So you gotta type in WSL space dash dash shutdown, press enter, and after that, you gotta reopen Docker. If that doesn't fix your issue, then you gotta check Docker services. To do that, you gotta press Windows and R key together and type down services.msc. Over here in this list, you gotta ensure that Docker desktop service is running, and also you need to add user to Docker users group. To do that, you gotta click on the search bar at the bottom and type in computer management. You'll be able to see this interface open in front of you. So you gotta expand local users and groups, and then click on groups. Over here, you'll be able to see Docker users. So click on that, and then you're gonna add your Windows account. Once you have added that, sign out and back in. Also, if mounting a folder, make sure your Windows users has access to it. Also, avoid using protected folders like Windows directory within C. If none of these solutions help fix your issue, then you gotta reinstall Docker Desktop to reset permissions. And just like that is how you can fix permission denied error in Docker. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.